Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom's dual monitor mode. This feature is incredibly useful if you're working with two screens and want to see participants on one monitor while viewing shared content on the other, making your meetings much more efficient and organized. First, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find your avatar profile. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to Zoom's comprehensive settings panel where you can customize how the app works for you. Once you're in the settings, look at the left sidebar and click on Meetings and Webinars. This section contains all the controls related to how your meetings function and display. Now, scroll down through the options until you find Dual Window. This is the feature that enables dual monitor support. Click the circle beside its name to toggle it on. You'll notice the circle fills in or changes color, indicating that the feature is now active. Once you've enabled this, go ahead and close the settings window. Don't worry about manually saving because changes save automatically in Zoom, so your dual window setting is already locked in. Next, it's time to join a meeting to see this feature in action. Click Join and you'll be prompted to enter either a meeting ID or a personal link name. Type in whichever one you have for the meeting you want to join. After entering that information, click Join. You might see a brief loading screen as Zoom connects you to the meeting room. Once the initial connection window appears, click Join again to finalize your entry into the meeting. Give it a moment to fully load all the participants and meeting elements as Zoom needs to establish the connection and display everything properly across your monitors. Now that you're in the meeting, look for the Share button in your Zoom toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Click on it to bring up the screen sharing options. Here's where dual monitor mode really comes into play. From the available screens and windows, select Screen 2. This tells Zoom which monitor you want to use for sharing content. Finally, click the Share button to begin sharing your second screen. At this point, you should see your shared content appear on one monitor while your meeting participants remain visible on the other. This setup gives you complete control over your workspace during meetings. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and used Zoom's dual monitor mode, allowing you to maximize your screen real estate and maintain better focus during meetings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.